Yo, what's going on, All Star family? Welcome back to the channel. Today you guys are in for a treat. I'm feeling some In-N-Out, so we're gonna go there. We're gonna try out their hamburger, their double hamburger, cheeseburger, triple, whatever they got on the menu. We're gonna try all that, see what's the best, okay? I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. You guys will enjoy the meal with me. I haven't had In-N-Out in a while, so I'm pretty excited. Let's see what they got. All right, so let's go. Before we do, please like, comment, and subscribe to the video, you guys. You know, it'll help support the channel a little bit. It helps support me, you know, going to these places and buying these food or whatnot. So I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. Thank you so much, you guys. Let's get it. Alright, you guys, so we are at In-N-Out right now, and as always, the line at In-N-Out never disappoints. But hey, we just have to wait. I mean, it goes pretty fast. So there's a line right here, and it's starting over here, and we have to go all the way over there. So there's a few cars in front of us, but I hope it'll be worth it. We'll see. Let me know what you guys like. Let me know what you guys usually order at In-N-Out. Hi, good. How are you, sir? Good, thank you. Can I get a hamburger, the cheeseburger, and the double?
Would you like them with onions?
Yes.
Any fries for you?
No, that's it.
No drinks either?
No drinks, yeah.
Okay, will you be able to see my card to go?
To go, please.
Okay, you have a hamburger, a cheeseburger, and a double, all with onions, correct?
Yeah.
All right, $11.96 is the first order, please.
Okay, thank you. All right, you guys. So we got the hamburger, double, and what did I even order? Hamburger, double, cheeseburger, and a double. Okay. All right. I don't know. Actually, I've never ordered a. I don't think I've ever ordered a double before. So I usually just order the hamburger. So yeah, we'll see how it is. That's all. That's the main things that they have at In-N-Out is the, you know, the hamburger, the cheeseburger, and a double. You could add on like a triple patty or a quadruple patty, however patties you want. But today we're just trying the things that are on the menu, and we're seeing which one is the one that's, you know, tastes the best, that's worth it, you know. So yeah, you guys, I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you so much. And we are near, so like I said, the In-N-Out line does go pretty fast. As you can see, we're already kind of there. And all three of the hamburgers are 11 something, he said. So yeah, the line moves pretty fast at In-N-Out. This is the menu right here, the famous In-N-Out menu, you guys. So as you guys can see, we got the hamburger, the cheeseburger, and the double. It says 2,000 calories a day is used for general nutrition advice. So the hamburger is $3.90, the cheeseburger is $4.80. That's 800. Okay, so we almost used up all our calories today. Damn. And then there's the menus up there, 1, 2, and 3. If you guys want to order the menu. Number 1 is a double, French fries and medium drink. Number 2 is a cheeseburger, French fries and medium drink. Okay, so the only difference between, okay, so I see. So a hamburger, cheeseburger, and a double. Okay, got it. And then they got beverages: Coke, Diet Coke, 7-Up, Dr. Pepper, root beer, iced tea, pink lemonade, milk, hot cocoa, coffee. And they got shakes. Alright, you guys, we are back. We got the prize. Oh, it's a little cold right now. We gotta get it going. Alright, so here's some napkins, okay? The receipt on here says $11.96, so that was the total. $11.96. That was the total of 3 burgers. Can you guys see? It's not really focusing, but there you go. I asked them for some spread, so we got some spread with it. You gotta have the spread, you know. I mean, before I didn't really use it, but ever since somebody told me about it, I started using it. We got the single burger, the regular hamburger, okay? Let me put it nice out here. We got the cheeseburger. There you go. And we got the double. The double. There you go. Right there. Wow, look at that cheese on it. Okay. So, and we got some water because, you know, I don't want you gotta have a little bit healthy somewhere, okay? But anyways, this is what we're working with, you guys. We got the single hamburger, okay? You guys can see just tomatoes on the bottom, the spread sauce, okay? The spread sauce, lettuce, and the single patty, and some onions, all right? Then we got the cheeseburger, same thing. Lettuce, tomato, except for some cheese on top and some onions on the top. And the double. The double definitely looks a little bit bigger than the other ones, you know? If you guys can see the comparison. All right, so kind of look like, you know, like a staircase, right? Because the cheese and the patty. So I think if you guys are hungry, you might want to go with double. If you guys are, you know, want to be a little healthier, I would say with the hamburger. If you guys want something in between, then the cheeseburger. So the hamburger, you guys, you gotta take the wrapping off, throw that out. Here it goes, you guys. This is the hamburger. I feel like the patty is a little bit, you know, small. Show you guys. Can you guys see? The patty is a little bit small. It's smaller than the bread. All right. Let me see. So the patty is like this. It's kind of smaller than the bread. I feel like they could have done a better job with it, but it's alright. And then the onion, okay? So, let's see how it tastes. Here it goes, you guys. Here it goes. I definitely taste a lot of bread. There you go. A lot of bread. The bread almost overwhelms the patty. I do taste the onion. The lettuce is there. It feels like almost everything is there besides the patty, okay? So the hamburger just, I don't even know where the patty is. You gotta like really focus on where the patty is to really taste this. I mean, it's okay. It's a decent burger. Next up, you guys, we got the cheeseburger. Okay, so let's take a look at the cheeseburger. Let's take this out. Oh man, they put too much wrappings on here. Okay. So let's see what we're working with the cheeseburger. So the cheeseburger, we got obviously the bun. The bun is pretty solid. Open it up. You see it's toasted on the inside. We got the lettuce right here and the cheese. It's a pretty nice chunk of cheese. And then one patty and lettuce and tomatoes. So the cheese makes it look a little bit bigger, but I feel like it's going to taste pretty similar to the hamburger. So we shall see. Okay, put you back down here. All right, you guys, here we go. The cheeseburger. I'm going to eat the side with the patty. Gotta say, this is not too bad. You can really taste the cheese in there. The patty, I mean, it's still the same, single patty. I forgot to use my spread. So yeah. That is a lot of spread. Let's see if we'll add anything special to it. The spread definitely adds some character to it. A little sour, kind of like a Thousand Island salad taste. It brings out that saltiness of the cheese and the patty. Complements it pretty well. Alright, you guys, so the last and final burger we have is the Double Double. Now this thing looks amazing. Has a nice stack, 2 patties, the onions in between with the cheese, lettuce, tomatoes on the bottom, dripping with that Thousand Island sauce, whatever spread they call it. Let's take it out and let's see how she looks. All right, if I could just, yeah, man. They wrap this thing tough. Hold on, I can't open this way. All right, you guys, sorry about that. So, I feel like this is like the real burger, you know? Like, this is what In-N-Out is about. The other two, I think those are just teasers, okay? So if you really want to go to In-N-Out, get a burger, I think you should get a double. Just by the look of it, all right? Looks like a real stacked burger, okay? It is about $4.50, so it is more expensive than the other two, but I mean, I think that's what In-N-Out is about. It's about that double. All right? You can see, very firm, okay? The cheese, I bet if it's hot, it'll be better, but oh well. Let's take a bite to it and see how it is. Here we go, guys. It is a little big, so I'm gonna have to put you guys down for this. Perfect. Okay. As you see, guys. Wow. There we go. The double. Oh man. Okay. So it is a little big, so here we go. That bite, you can taste the patty really well. You can taste the cheese complementing all the salt in the patty. The lettuce, the water of the lettuce just bursting in your mouth, and then that tomato to end it all covers up all the saltiness, brings it home, you guys. This is a really good burger, actually. I don't know why I haven't tried this before. That tomato creeps up on you. Because when you bite in, you get the patty, you get the cheese, and then once in a while you'll hit a little bit of the tomato, you know? So, let's try it with the spread. Alright, here we go with the spread. Again, the spread is a hint of sourness. It complements the patty really well, because the patty is kind of salty. That little hint of sour from the spread really kind of complements it and neutralizes that salt. It helps. The spread is pretty good. Alright guys, there you have it. There you have it, you guys. You got the hamburger right there. The little the little hamburger with the patty and the lettuce, tomato, nothing on it, onion. And you got the cheeseburger. Cheeseburger's alright. You want something quick, not too big. On the go, I would say get the cheeseburger. And then you got the big boy over here, double. Double doubles for someone who wants to just sit down and eat a good hamburger. They like In-N-Out. They want to get the full In-N-Out experience. I would say go with the double double. All right. So there you have it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this review of In-N-Out, all 3 burgers. Let me know which one you guys like the most, which one you guys usually get and why in the comment section below. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let me know what you guys want me to review next. Maybe some food somewhere. I don't know what kind of food you guys like. Let me know. I'll try to take a look at it and review it for you guys. Thank you again so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. And take care of yourself. I'll catch you guys next time, alright? Peace.